It's been a little while. I think my last video was about my book club, and I'm very excited. I got a great response. I need to start reading. Have you started reading? But I'm excited to catch up and talk to you about some things. I've been really busy taking Christmas down, but not my own, because we took out we took down the outside stuff, but I've been here actually at Give Kids the World taking down those Christmas lights, and it's been fun trying to get the village back to normal for its guests to return. It's opening January 17th. Give Kids the World is where children who wish to visit Central Florida that have a critical illness, they come and stay there with their families to get to go to Central Florida attractions. And so we've signed up to volunteer at a couple of the parties. They also have like little parties there every week. They have Halloween every week, Christmas, and a birthday party. Scarlett is squeaking her toy. So we signed up for a few of those, and I'm very excited to get to do that. But yeah, how is it going for you? Have you taken down decorations and stuff yet? I gotta think about it. We said we were gonna leave them up longer than normal this year because it just feels nice when it's Christmas. So it's still going over here. I actually got a package today I wanted to share with you. Disney sent me this new product line they have. This is a new product. I think it's new in the US, but may have had this or something similar already going on in the Asia Disney parks. So we're excited. You just received your very own tiny Disney. I don't know how to say it. I think it's called nuiMOs. It's nuiMOs. Small friends, big style. Plush and accessories to help us announce the launch of the latest trend to debut in the US. So basically, these are going to launch on January 19th. I'm excited to show them to you. I haven't seen them yet. We'll open it together. And they have their own Instagram, Disney nuiMOs. I hope I'm saying it right. So that's interesting. I have seen, like, in the past, I knew about like the cultural thing with like Duffy and his friends. Like, it's really cool to like have a Duffy bear and dress it up and stuff and take it around and take pictures of it. So I think that's what we're doing here with these. And yeah, they're available January 19th, Shop Disney, Disney Store, and select Disney parks. Okay, let's look at them. Let's open it. Woo! Aww, I was curious like about the size. Wow, her face is so cute. Aww. Okay, so I have like pretty big hands. So this is about how big it is. It's like kind of like the size of your hand. So it's not like a regular plush. It's like a much smaller portable version. Look at this outfit. Oh my gosh, Minnie, same. I have fun little jean jackets. That's so cute. Oh my gosh, look at this leopard. Okay, this is fancy. This is like Barbie, but not. I don't know her, but this one. And oh my gosh, look at the backpack. That's so cute. That is so cute. It's a lounge fly. It's a mini lounge fly. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Stop right now. It's a little tiny spirit jersey. It has a little something on it. Oh my goodness. Wow, so you like get them and dress them up. This is cute. It says 6+, so this isn't for the tiny ones. So basically, Disney nuiMOs are these little plush that you can like dress up. They have little fashion. This is like fashion collection 1. Really cute. So I guess this is probably like their first. I see. This says fashion collection 1 on both of these. And then this one says wardrobe essentials. So if I had to guess, this would be one that they will like offer regularly. Just guessing on that. Cute. So they'll come out with different clothes. Very cute. This one even has little boots. What do you think? You like her outfit? I've just been in the office giggling, opening this box and dressing this little character. Let me show Jim. Don't look. All right, the nuiMOs got delivered. Here's Minnie in her first outfit. I put the hat on her. It's so cute.
I bet you're jealous about that. Oh.
I'm gonna be honest with you. I put this outfit on her because I would like this outfit. What did you say?
I said this look, this hat, this coat is very, very Mama Kardashian. What's her name?
Kris Kardashian.
Kris Kardashian.
Well, it is like supposed to be like a fashion thing.
Oh, okay.
Because this is like fashion collection 1. She has like, they sent a few outfits.
You're doing amazing, sweetie.
It has like kind of like there's like wire or something in there so you can pose them and take photos and stuff. I think that's the scoop. So these ones that they sent, I wanted to just tell you the prices in case you're interested. These are $17.99 and the outfits, fashion collection outfits, are $12.99. And it has like a few pieces. So it looks like the outfits are like interchangeable, like you could get them and put them on any of the nuiMOs. And I don't have a price for the backpack, but that's really cute. I also don't have a price for the Spirit jersey, but it is like an official Spirit jersey. Like it has a Spirit jersey logo. That's adorable. That's so cute. So these are really cute. I was excited. Disney asked if I wanted to help debut these, and I thought you guys would like to see them. They're fun. I feel like these are cute for, like, I know people love to wear the shoulder ones and like take around a stuffed animal and photograph it sometimes. And of course, like, I think the kids will like these. But I really like these because of the size. They're very small. Like, I have a little Olaf plush that I love. And one of the reasons I love him is because he is small. I don't really like bring stuffed animals around the parks. I usually carry like I go pretty light. But I did bring him once and I was able to like put him in a small purse. And these are so tiny. Like if you did like to take them around and, you know, photograph them or style them or whatever, they're really portable. Like totally small. This would fit in a tiny bag. Scarlett, why is this stuffed animal a better dresser than me? So I'm trying to figure out. All right, here's the next one. You ready?
Yeah. Oh, he's got little boots.
I mean, come on.
You like your fuzzy coat?
The fuzzy coat is cute. I love her face.
I like this little
Her
detail.
little blush is really cute. What's a
Her
little
little-
fuffies? Aww.
Right here.
Adorable. That's so cute. Look at this outfit. Her purple shirt doesn't come off, so she has like a little undershirt. Oh, Scarlett, come on, girl. Don't be dramatic. Scarlett would like to play. Okay, there you go. Bring it back. Yay! So I'm wearing this runDisney shirt, and I can't believe that it has been 10 years since I ran my first marathon. I did my first like runDisney event. I think it was 2010. It was like the Expedition Everest Challenge. Did anyone do that? It had an obstacle course. It was so cool. It was really fun. But my first marathon was 2011, and so I wore that one the other day. This is 2012. And then I kind of like took a break after I did this one race. It was a wine and dine night race, and it rained and it was cold, and then I got back to my hotel room and it was freezing, and I was like, I think I need a break. Like, I decided to still run it, and so my shoes were just like soaking wet and heavy, and I had blisters. Like, it's not, you can't do it in the rain. But I didn't want to give up. So I decided after that, like, yeah, I'm gonna take a break. And they got like so popular. They were just, I don't know. I feel like I had like a good like 5 or 6 year run with runDisney. I was doing like every race weekend, and then I felt like fulfilled. I was like, yeah, I've like done everything. I did the Dopey before they had a Dopey. So there was like this running website that like, it was like a Disney running like fan website, and they classified the Dopey as the 5K, half, and full, like doing them all in one weekend, before Disney came out with the 10K and the like official Dopey. So I did that, and it was a lot, but like I'm glad I did it. And I don't know if I'll ever do like a full again, but half marathons are really fun. I know a lot of people are missing the races. I've just like the people I follow, like my friends and stuff, have been posting about missing race weekend, and I totally get it. It's a really exciting thing for people. So we're having a super late lunch today. I wanted to show you because it is one of our staple recipes in this house, and it is so healthy. And I don't just say that about anything. By healthy, I mean it's like whole foods, like vegetables, doesn't have oil, and you control the amount of salt. It's a very nutrient dense recipe. It's a homemade lentil soup, and this one has potatoes, lentils, onions, carrots, and then at the last minute you just throw in some kale or spinach. We have kale this time, so that's what we used. The recipe also calls for like diced tomatoes or something, but we don't normally put those in. But that's it. There's no oil or anything else. I do salt it to taste, and yeah, super good for you. Very low calorie, but lots of good stuff. I'll put a link to that recipe below. And tonight we're just gonna have a cozy night in, relaxing. Basically, did some hard work at Give Kids the World today, and that's kind of like how I started my year out, was doing a lot of volunteering, and yeah, just everything has been really stressful, just with the news and stuff. And I've been sleeping a lot and just very tired. So I'm trying to just like listen to my body and respect that I need to rest right now. Just with everything we're kind of going through personally, with job changes and stuff, and just, you know, kind of the state of the world right now. So I hope you are doing well. I will be back soon with another video. I still have lots of fun stuff planned coming up here in January, and looking forward to getting some like organizing stuff done soon. And yeah, maybe venturing out to do some fun stuff outdoors and safe. We'll see. We'll see. It's kind of a weird time right now, and we'd like to monitor the state of things and make choices based on the data. So hope you have a magical day.